Welcome back, my dear students. Today, we'll be talking about logarithms. Everyone's favorite. We all love logarithms.
Yes.
Well, in order to understand logarithms, you have to understand the basics of logarithms. So, for example, if you should have something generic like this, where you have the log of b base a equals c, what that means is that a to the c equals b. So, for example, if you have a log of 8 base 2, then that equals 3. Because 2 cubed equals 8. And what's really important for you all to understand is that these two statements are identical. They are equivalent. There is no difference between them. So there's nothing magical about it saying log. There's nothing mysterious. There's nothing you're missing. These are literally the same two statements. Log of 8 base 2 equals 3 is the same thing as saying 2 cubed is 8. Well, then if they're the same, then why don't we just say that? Why do we have to have the logarithm thing? And that's a longer answer. But the basic answer I will give for you is that when you have, it's difficult to do math with exponents. And if you can get the unknown exponent into the ground floor where you can do normal math with it, it's a lot easier to work with and figure out. So that's the basic reason. There's probably more that could be said about that, but that's good enough for now. So that's that. Okay, all right, okay, well, that's cool. Anything else I should know? Yes, absolutely. For example, let's say you have the log of, I don't know, 100. What does that equal? And you say, but Mr. Schellenberg, you didn't give me the base yet. And then I say, if there's nothing there, it's always 10. Yes. So it is 10. So I don't have to write it, but it's there. In fact, for your sake, just for today, I will write it. Just so that you can see, hey, there's a hidden 10 down there. And what does that make the answer? 4? 1? 1, 10? I'm sorry?
Oh, 1 million?
What is the log of 100? It is 2. Yes. Yes, that's right. It's 2. So because 10 squared equals 100. All right. So just keep that straight. Don't tell me the answer is 10. It's 2. We're just saying, we're asking what is the exponent that makes this true. Okay. All right. So that's cool. That's nice. Anything else? Oh, yes. There's a lot more. Let's say that we have two logs that have the same base. So we have log of 3 plus log of 7. And you say that is? You said log of 10? You are wrong, my friend. But I'm glad you asked, because somebody out there is thinking that. I bet you they're thinking that. But it's not. You thought that too? Yeah.
Wait, let me guess.
You want to guess again? What?
No, 21.
21 is correct. Yes. So this right here is actually the log of 21. And as you can see, it's because it's 3 times 7. And so therefore it's the log of 21. And there's nothing really we can simplify about this unless it goes nicely with the base, which it doesn't. There's nothing we can do. And by the way, unless it's like an integer value, it's going to be irrational. So I already know that the log of 21 is going to be an irrational number. Okay, is there anything else? Well, if we're doing the plus, we should do the minus. Log of 15 minus log 5. Guess what that is? Excellent. Log 3, yes. This is log 3. Okay, so we got the whole addition. I'm sorry? Oh, I forgot to say 5. I mean, I said it, but I forgot to write it. Thank you. Okay, yes. That's that, because you're just dividing the 15 by the 5 to get 3. So I suppose we can write the general rule then. So log of A plus log of B equals log AB. And then for the subtraction, if you have log of A minus log of B, that equals log of A over B. Very nice. Okay. Other rules. Anything else we should really know? Anything else we should really know? I believe there is. Yes. What about that? Yes, I can. I was going to get to that later. So first of all, what about log of some exponent? So let's say we have log a to the b. Do you know how to simplify that?
Yes, b log a.
B log a. Very good. Thank you. Yes. So this is b times log a, or just otherwise known as b log a. So that exponent can come out. And then the other really important one is the change of base. So for that, I would like to bring your attention to this right here. Let's say you have the log of, I don't know, log of 7 base 3. And you need to do math with it somehow, and you don't know exactly what to do. Is there some way that you could change this into a base that you prefer? Maybe, let's say you want to put this in your calculator, but your calculator only does base 10, or base e. Then how would you figure this out in your calculator? Well, this happens to be log of 7 divided by log of 3. And not only that, you actually can put any base that you want as long as it's the same for both of these. So we're going to leave it as base 10 for this, but you could have that be any base that you want as long as it's the same for both. And that's how you change the base. And I think that's enough for now.